So we are here in America's Tire in the beautiful city of Fontana, California. And we are here, need a pit stop to get my tire fixed because I ran over a big screw maybe when I was in Los Angeles 2 days ago. So there's my car. So fortunately they're really giving it a free service for tire replacement. So it's a wonderful thing here that they're doing. And America's Tire here in the city of Fontana, close to AutoZone. There's also the Home Depot over here. This is like the intersection of Share Lakes and Beach. No, it's Citrus here in the city of Fontana. So check them out. They have great selection for tires, wheels, and definitely friendly service out here.